Hello and welcome to Ace Trades. This is trading video log number 2. If you haven't watched the first trading video log, I have put the link of the said video in the description below. Please check it out. So here's the trade summary so far. So there are 2 new close trades to discuss. So the first 5 we've already done them on the first video. So the 2 close trades are APX and Vita. So let's start. Let's take a look first at APX, which I traded the stock again, but lost um, by 4.78%. So here is the weekly chart prior to my entry. It still has momentum based on its RSI. So the RSI indicator is still moving up, as well as the MACD, which these 2 indicators check out the fractals criteria, one of the 5 criteria that I discussed in my introductory video. So, and it also has a good potential reward at 7 to 8% based from its current price up to the resistance level here and the upper gray area based on this gun box. So let's take a look at the hourly chart. So looking at the hourly chart, this is my main trading chart time frame. So I entered on these 2 candlesticks here. So in 2 tranches. So basically, I bought them on the same day. So the first tranche at the price of 2.16 and the second tranche at the price of 2.18. So I bought on this candlestick because it is a gap up price opening accompanied by a above average volume. Also, all the criteria checks out based on the indicators. So here the trend, so the price is above MA50 and MA50 is moving upwards. Then the momentum as well, you can see the RSI is already above 60 and still moving up. And the cycles, so the MACD line is above the control line, the red line right here, and it's indicated on the histogram as well. And also the Bollinger Band is starting to expand. So that's why I bought it. But then I sold a tranche on this candlestick here at 213 because it seemed the uptrend has lost momentum with the MACD line already crossing below the signal line here on the MACD, as well as the RSI is already going down and is below the 50. And also the DMI negative, the red line is already above the DMI positive, which is the DMI negative is above this yellow line is already above the DMI positive, which is the blue line. So I still have the tranche because the price is still above MA50. RS, then I ultimately sold my remaining tranche here because the price is already below MA50. I didn't sold on these candles because it was a sell-off that day on the overall market as well. And I waited for a bounce before selling to minimize the loss. So fortunately it happened, the bounce happened, so I sold here. Looking back, these candlesticks right here should have been the optimum selling price to exit this trade. Okay, so the next trade is Vita, in which I gained 5.6%. So here is the weekly chart again prior to my entry. And in this chart, I saw two candlesticks above MA50, these two, the latest two candlesticks. Although the last candlestick is red, it bounced off the MA50. So I thought making it a possible support. So this also has a potential reward of 8 to 9%. So from the current price to the resistance level, or the upper level of the gray area. Looking at the hourly chart, I entered in these candlesticks because of the indicators. Again, based on the criteria, the trend price is above MA50, with MA50 moving forward upwards, and the DMI positive is above DMI negative, and the momentum as well, the RSI is already above 50 or 60, and cycles, the MACD is moving up above zero, with MACD line above the control line, and as well as the Bollinger Band starting to expand. So here's the trade confirmation of my entry. First tranche, I bought the price of 0.66. Then the second tranche on the next day, I bought at 0.67. So I sold the tranche here at the price of 0.72 on February 2, um, just to protect my profits, uh, and also because it's already near the resistance level. So I held the tranche, expecting the price to break the resistance level and be able to ride the upward move. But I ultimately sold the remaining tranche on this candle at the price of 0.7 on February 3, because it seems that the price is having a hard time breaking this resistance level right here. And you can see the candlestick is going down. So I didn't sold on these red candles right here for the same reason as the APX trade, because this is the day where the sell-off happened, and you know the overall market was on a sell-off. Fortunately, the price of this stock uh bounce off or on the MA50, so the trend is still intact, and the price went according to plan. So now let's go to my existing trades. So these are the current stock that I am holding. So I will show you the charts, but uh, without revealing the stock. So there are two of them. So here is the first one. So I have already shown you this stock in my previous video. So I'm still holding this one, which means yeah, I'm looking at for another tranche buying opportunity because it is still within this box right here, so within the support level. So if the price breaks this level, the orange level here, I will buy another tranche, or else I will sell this one at a loss. So the second chart is the second stock. So this is the chart. So again, I entered on this candlestick right here, which is already above the trend, the MA50 indicator with a green candlestick, and as well as the above average volume, and the MACD, the momentum, and RSI is pointing upwards with the DMI as well. Good. So these are currently the two stocks that I am holding for now. So to summarize, I have closed 7 trades so far, and to date, my portfolio has gained approximately 7.5%. So here is my equity graph to date. This is taken from Investa Journal. I log all my trades so I can review my progress in trading through their data analytics, such as this graph right here. And that is all for now. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.